A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is human purpose, where destiny meets design. Ladies and gentlemen, every atom hums the rhythm of creation. Every heartbeat echoes the pulse of the cosmos. Human existence, delicate yet radiant, stands as a conscious spark within the grand design. Science calls it energy. Wisdom calls it consciousness. Both naming the same eternal essence that moves galaxies, stirs oceans, and awakens life. Within this infinite continuum unfolds a deeper realization. Human purpose arises where destiny meets design, where the current of divine will flows through the genetic code of life, allowing consciousness to fulfill its appointed expression in time and form. All creation is energy in motion. The universe sustains itself through exchange, rhythm, and resonance. Earth, a living organism, draws vitality from the five elemental forces: earth, water, fire, air, and space, each performing its ageless role in perfect synchrony. Existence upon this planet remains bound to the same cosmic intelligence that governs the stars above and the subtler dimensions beyond sight. Humanity forms part of that vast energy web. Every being is an autonomous generator capable of igniting the inner sun and radiating brilliance through wisdom, courage, and compassion. The five layers of energy: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational, determine the strength of that radiance. When these forces align, coherence arises. When coherence deepens, purpose awakens. The brain, nature's most intricate instrument, acts as transmitter, receiver, and processor, bridging the material with the metaphysical. Thought, born as vibration, carries energy. When refined through reflection and virtue, it gains direction and becomes action. Energy, by its nature, seeks flow, moving from higher potential to lower, from fullness toward need, a principle evident from atoms to galaxies. Even atoms obey this law, sharing electrons to create matter. Consciousness too expands through sharing of knowledge, emotion, and compassion. The stronger the connection, the deeper the resonance, the purer the intent, the higher the outcome. Within that sharing, purpose takes birth, not as impulse but as sacred alignment with the cosmic order. Purpose thus becomes the visible form of invisible energy, the act through which divine intelligence expresses itself. DNA carries this design, serving as a biological reflection of cosmic order, encoding possibilities that awaken through awareness and harmony. When internal energy aligns with nature's rhythm and the virtues of the five elements, the being turns luminous, lighting the path within and around as the sun lights the horizon. What's the way forward? To live purposefully is to live in alignment with the universal rhythm, harmony of body, clarity of thought, and steadiness of spirit. Open the channel through which higher intelligence flows in. Purpose then ceases to be sought. It begins to reveal itself. Science may describe this as optimization of potential. Wisdom recognizes it as the flowering of consciousness. Both meet upon one truth, that life finds meaning through resonance, not resistance, through contribution, not possession. When the inner sun shines steadily, each thought becomes an offering, each action a transmission of light that uplifts existence itself. The path forward lies in refinement, rhythm, and conscious sharing, allowing the divine current to flow unbroken through thought, emotion, and deed. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, human purpose is both destiny and design. destiny as the current of divine will and design as its inscription within DNA. Life unfolds through this sacred partnership between energy and intention, matter and meaning. When aligned with higher intelligence, every action transforms into an act of grace, and destiny fulfills itself through conscious participation in the cosmic order. As the revered Bhagavad Gita proclaims, wherever Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, and Arjuna, the bearer of the bow, are together, there will certainly be fortune, victory, glory, and righteousness. This signifies that where divine wisdom and spiritual devotion are combined with righteous action and determination, not only true purpose emerges, but success and well-being also accompany. Thus, divine presence accompanies every noble thought and noble purpose. When consciousness aligns with that supreme intelligence, action becomes sacred, energy becomes luminous, and life itself becomes destiny fulfilled. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.